Hi everyone, this is Harlis from SeaMac. In this video, I will introduce
the SINOTRUK Steyr D10 series of marine engines. SINOTRUK Hangzhou Engine Co. Limited was established in 1958 and produced China's first high-speed automotive diesel engine, the 6120 in 1965. In 1984, it fully introduced Austrian Steyr technology. Today, building on its decades of expertise in Steyr engine manufacturing,
it has developed a serious high-performance marine engine.
The company has successfully built a world-class engine manufacturing system with production equipment and capabilities ranking among the best globally.
SINOTRUK's marine engine products are based on major Steyr technology platform,
including the classic D10, WD615, and WD415 series. The D10 marine engine, with power ranging from 50 kW to 247 kW, is specifically designed for propulsion main engines and generator auxiliary engines for various vessels. The engine features an inline 6-cylinder design with a compact oval structure. The bore by stroke is 126 mm by 130 mm, and its weight is approximately 1,180 kg. Rated power ranges from 176 kW to 247 kW at rated speeds of 1,500 to 2,100 RPM, ensuring continuous power delivery and excellent acceleration performance under heavy loads or complex marine operating conditions.
The D10 marine engine adopts high-stress, double-wall, enhanced wide-body cylinder block,
upgrades the configuration and quality of key components, and significantly improves engine reliability and durability. The D10 Marine engine optimizes fuel consumption in the frequent working range of the whole machine through extensive collection and research of multi-condition operating data, greatly reducing fuel consumption levels.
The D10 marine engine is widely used with a large installed base,
sufficient spare parts, low prices, and convenient maintenance. The standard D10 series of marine engines comes with following accessories:
control panel, turbocharger, oil filter, fuel filter, flywheel,
As a sub-brand of SeaMac Group, SeaMac specializes in providing comprehensive propulsion and power system solutions for all types of vessels, from high-performance engines and precision gearboxes to robust shafting, propellers, and propulsion systems, and from reliable main generator sets to sieve. SeaMac covers the full range of core components. We consistently deliver professional, efficient, and cost-effective customized solutions that precisely meet the unique requirements of diverse vessels.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact SeaMac at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.seamac.com.